code-genie.ai, planning. Planning refers to the ability of machines to create sequences of actions to achieve specific goals or outcomes. AI planning involves analyzing the current state of a system or environment and determining the desired state or goal. It encompasses the process of generating a series of steps or actions that bridge the gap between the current state and the desired state. AI planning algorithms employ various techniques, such as search algorithms, heuristic functions, and optimization methods, to find optimal or near-optimal solutions. Planning is used in a wide range of applications, including logistics, resource allocation, scheduling, robotics, and game playing. In logistics, AI planning helps optimize routes, allocate resources, and plan delivery schedules to enhance efficiency and reduce costs. Resource allocation planning assists in assigning resources effectively to maximize productivity and minimize conflicts. Scheduling planning involves organizing tasks or events in a time-efficient manner, considering dependencies and constraints. AI planning plays a crucial role in robotics, enabling autonomous robots to plan their movements, navigate through complex environments, and accomplish tasks. Game-playing AI agents use planning techniques to strategize and make optimal decisions to outwit opponents in games like chess or poker. Planning algorithms can handle uncertainty and dynamic environments by incorporating probabilistic models and decision-theoretic frameworks. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. Visit us at code-genie.ai.